Quick preview of this style. I'm trying to do some shiny bumps in my head. Well, if I post it, that means the style worked. I'm trying to do some big curls. So I'm just trying to wet it just enough to be damp. I've been locked now for about 16 months. I've done pipe cleaners, perm rods. I don't necessarily put much in my hair. When I'm doing the curls, I like the curls to last. So now that I'm over a year, I pretty much use some kind of setting lotion. So at this point, I'm just going to twist all the way down. I still have to twist as I go, but so that you guys can kind of get the message. And of course, twist around. Now it's important to try to keep it tight, the twist, not tight on your head. So I kind of hold it because I don't want it to be too tight on my head. That's how I get bald spots, and we don't want that. But that feels good. It's on. Okay, and then this is the last one. Same thing. Just gonna twist it in my hand. And then twist it around. Oh. Yeah. If it feels too tight, you definitely should pull out some and do them again and try to get them not as tight because you're not trying to bust your hair follicles. So this is it. Okay, so this is the next day. Let's see how these shiny bumps turned out. I worked out, took a shower. Some of them I had to loosen because, yeah, while I was working out, it was little. All right, so I'm just going to start taking them down by, like, loosen it. It could have been a little bit more curly. Let's see. They look really loose, but we'll see when we pull it out. That one's not bad. That one actually looks really good. This one was already loose a little bit, so I could see the difference. So I don't know, maybe next time I would have to go smaller to get like this. That was beautiful. So far I only liked one. Okay. This one's alright. It's a little heavy. I was going for kind of like loose type of curls, so maybe it will work. Okay. This one's not bad. Let's see. They're not bad. I don't know what the back looks like. Alright, so let's just try loosen them. Separating them. You'll see more when I get to the front, I guess. I'm just gonna rake my fingers through them. Again, my hair wasn't drenched, it was just damped. So this is the one that I like. So let's see. So I just rake it through. I kind of like it. Yeah. It can go on with that little curl. That's cute. Okay. You know what? I'm not against it. Okay. Let's get this side. So from what I can see right now, I guess I would have to do them smaller to get, like, I guess more definition. But I think it did what I wanted it to do. I didn't want that crinky. That's why I didn't want to plait it. And I kind of wanted, like, looser curls. So I think it did it justice. Like, right now. Like, and again, this is 16 months, Sisterlocked. After the year mark, I would have to look up the date, but is when I actually dyed the ends. And so now let me just try to style it. I'm kind of feeling it. And this is with me not doing my baby hairs or not going extravagant with eyeshadow, just something neutral. Okay. Ooh, like it. I had the video without showing the back. I don't know what the back looks like, but sorry. That's it.